Hello friends, you are watching ISC Mathematics and we are solving exercise 2 of chapter number 2 inverse trigonometric functions ISC Mathematics standard 12. Okay, in the last video we have completed question number 11. Now we will start question number 12 onwards. Okay, question number 12, the first one is tan inverse 1 plus tan inverse 1 upon 2 plus tan inverse 1 upon 3 is equals to pi by 2 we have to prove. Okay, let us take left hand side. LHS is tan inverse 1 plus tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 1 upon 3. Okay, tan inverse 1, that is pi upon 4, we know very well. Okay, now here we will apply the formula tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. So we can write tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus x y, since tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. Xy is less than 1. Okay, is equals to pi by 4 plus tan inverse. Okay, both numerator and denominator will be pi by 6 only. So pi by 4 plus, again here you will get tan inverse 1. So pi by 4 plus value of tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. And therefore pi by 4 plus pi by 4 will be pi by 2, which is equal to right hand side. Here okay, now let us solve the second number. Okay, here cot inverse 1 plus cot inverse 2 plus cot inverse 3 is equals to pi by 2. Now this is similar question. Okay, LHS is cot inverse 1 plus cot inverse 2 plus cot inverse 3 is equal to cot inverse 1. We can put the value of it to be pi by 4. Yes or no? Now cot inverse x we can write as tan inverse 1 upon x, or tan inverse 1 upon x is equals to cot inverse x. Okay, for x greater than 0. So similarly over here, so this will be 1 by 2. Similarly, cot inverse 3 can be written as tan inverse 1 upon 3, since tan inverse 1 upon x is equals to cot inverse x for x greater than 0. Clear? Now this is similar sum, okay, as we have done previously in the first question. So you can complete in the same manner. Tan inverse 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3, you will get pi by 4. Pi by 4 plus pi by 4 will be pi by 2. Okay, now let us solve the next question. Number 12, question number 3. Okay, we are given over here sin inverse 1 upon root 5 Okay, let us take left hand side. LHS is equal to sine inverse 1 upon root 5 plus tan inverse 1 upon 3. We will convert this sine inverse 1 upon root 5 into tan inverse. Okay, using the formula. Okay, what is the formula? Sine inverse x is equals to we can use the formula sine inverse x is equals to tan inverse x upon root of 1 minus x square. Clear? So using this formula you can convert sine inverse into tan inverse. Clear? So let us put over here x is, now see what is the value of x, that is 1 upon root 5. So sine inverse we have a formula sine inverse x is equals to tan inverse x upon square root of 1 minus x square, and therefore sine inverse 1 upon root 5 is equal to tan inverse 1 upon root 5 upon square root of 1 minus 1 upon root 5 square. 1 upon root 5 square will be 1 by 5. Therefore sine inverse 1 upon root 5 is equal to tan inverse and therefore sine inverse 1 upon root 5 is equal to tan inverse 1 upon 2. Clear? Now we can substitute this value for sine inverse 1 upon root 5. We can substitute tan inverse 1 upon 2. Okay, now sine inverse 1 upon root 5 plus tan inverse 1 sine inverse, yes, sine inverse 1 upon root 5 plus tan inverse 1 upon 3 is equal to, now sine inverse 1 upon root 5 we will write down tan inverse 1 upon 2 plus tan inverse 1 upon 3. Now we can use the formula tan inverse x plus tan inverse pi. Okay, so tan inverse 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3 upon 1 minus, since tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy, xy is less than 1. Clear? So tan inverse 5 by 6 upon 5 by 6, so tan inverse 1 which will be equal to 5 by 4 and which is equal to right hand side. Clear? Okay, now let us move on to the next question. Okay, number 4, 2 tan inverse 1 upon 3 plus tan inverse 1 upon 7 is equal to 5 by 4. LHS 2 tan inverse 1 upon 3 plus tan inverse 1 upon 7. Okay, recall the formula of 2 tan inverse x. 2 tan inverse x is equals to tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. Here value of x is 1 by 3, and therefore 2 tan inverse 1 upon 3 is equals to tan inverse 2 upon 3 minus 1 upon x square is 1 upon 9 here. So therefore 2 tan inverse 1 upon 3 is equal to tan inverse 2 upon 3 upon 8 by 9, 3 ones are 3, 2s are, and 2 ones are 2, 4s are, so tan inverse 3 by 4 we can write. Therefore 2 tan inverse 1 upon 3 is equals to tan inverse 3 upon 4. Now this value we will substitute for 2 tan inverse 1 upon 3 in the left hand side. Now 2 tan inverse 1 upon 3 plus tan inverse 1 upon 7 is equals to tan inverse 3 by 4 plus tan inverse 1 by 7. Now we will put the formula for tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. So tan inverse 3 upon 4 plus 1 upon 7 25 by 28, 25 by 28, so tan inverse 1 is equals to 5 by 4 is equals to right hand side. Okay, so 5 is similar. I will solve the sixth one now. Question number 12, number 6. Okay, 2 tan inverse 1 upon 3 plus cot inverse 4 is equal to tan inverse 16 upon 13 we have to prove. Okay, let us take left hand side. LHS 2 tan inverse 1 upon 3 plus cot inverse 4. Okay, again 2 tan inverse x formula we will use. We have 2 tan inverse x is equals to tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. Therefore 2 tan inverse 1 upon 3 is equals to tan inverse 2 upon 3 upon 1 minus 1 by now 9. Now this we have already solved in the previous question. Therefore we know that 2 tan inverse 1 upon 3 is equals to tan inverse 3 upon 4 we will obtain. Clear? Now we can put this value in the LHS. Okay, now 2 tan inverse 1 upon 3 plus cot inverse 4 equals to tan inverse 3 upon 4 plus tan inverse 1 by 4. Yes or no? Because since we know that tan inverse 1 by 4 is equals 1 upon x is equal to cot inverse x for x greater than 0. Okay, now we can put the formula for tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Okay, therefore tan inverse is equals to tan inverse 3 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4 since tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy for xy less than 1. Okay, is equal to tan inverse 1, yes or no, or we can write 1 by 4, 4 by 4 it is, so let me write over here 1 only. Okay, 4 minus 3, 4 for the 16, 16 minus 3 will be 13 upon 16. On simplification we will get tan inverse 16 upon 13, which is equal to right hand side. Clear? Okay, now let us solve question number 13. Okay, let us take left hand side. LHS is tan inverse 1 upon 3 plus tan inverse 1 upon 5 plus tan inverse 1 upon 7 plus tan inverse 1 upon 8. Now we can take pairs and put the formula for tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Both the cases xy is less than 1 only. Okay, so tan inverse 1 upon 3 plus 1 upon 5, 3 5s are 15 plus over here tan inverse 1 upon 7 plus 1 upon 8, 56. Since tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equals to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy, where xy is less than 1. Okay, so equal to tan inverse 5 plus 3, 8 by 15 and 14. So 8 by 14 we can write plus tan inverse 15 by 55. Yes or no? 56 minus 155. Okay, now on further simplification we'll get here 4 by 7 plus tan inverse 3 by 11. Now finally again we will put the formula of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Okay, so now over here equal to tan inverse 4 upon 7 plus 3 upon 11 1 minus 4 by 7 into 3 by 11 equal to tan inverse 44 plus 2165 upon 77. Okay, so this 77 will get reduced only. 77 minus 12, 65. Okay, yes, obviously since answer is 5 by 4, this must be 1. Okay, equals tan inverse 1 which is equal to 5 by 4 which is equal to right hand side. There. Okay, now let us solve next question, question number 14. Okay, prove that cot inverse 1 plus cot inverse 1 upon 2 plus cot inverse 1 upon 3 is equal to 5 is equals to 2 into cot inverse 2 plus cot inverse 3 plus cot inverse 1. Okay, so now let us prove this. First we will take cot inverse 1 plus cot inverse 1 by 2 plus cot inverse 1 upon 3. Okay, now we have a formula, yes or no, for we have cot inverse 1, we are having already value of cot inverse 1. What is the value of cot inverse 1? That is 5 by 4. Clear? And over here, if you take the inverse, means cot inverse x is equals to tan inverse 1 upon x. Okay, but here the formula will change. Why? Because here, no, that is right only. Okay, so let us solve. Now cot inverse 1 will be 5 by 4. Now these two cots will convert into tan, or we can directly even put the formula. We have a formula. What is that formula? Cot inverse x square. Yes or no? Xy, cot inverse xy minus 1. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 minus 1 upon 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2. Okay, since cot inverse x plus cot inverse y is equal to cot inverse xy minus 1 upon y plus x, or x plus y we can write. Clear? Okay, so is equals to pi by 4 plus cot inverse. Okay, now cot inverse over over here 3 2s are 6, so minus 5 by 6 upon 5 by 6 will be minus 1. Yes or no? Now cot inverse minus x is equal to minus cot inverse x, we know, minus of cot inverse 1, since cot inverse minus x, okay, sorry, cot inverse minus x is equals to pi minus, okay, what is the formula? Pi minus. So here cot inverse minus 1 is equal to pi minus cot inverse 1, we can write, since cot inverse minus x is equal to pi minus cot inverse x, okay, is equals to pi by 4 plus pi minus pi by 4 is equal to pi, we got. Clear? Now again we will obtain the second result. So let us do that. Okay, now we will take this side 2 into cot inverse 2 plus cot inverse 3 plus, okay, no problem, let us start solving. Okay, we will keep this one, okay. Or what we can do, we can take that side and that side to be equal to 2, we can prove. Okay, now 2 into cot inverse 2 plus cot inverse 3 plus cot inverse 1 is equals to 2 into cot inverse 2 will be tan inverse 1 upon 2 plus tan inverse 1 upon 3 plus pi by 4, since tan inverse 1 upon x is equal to cot inverse x for all x greater than 0. Okay, now here we can use the formula. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y will be tan inverse x plus y, okay, since tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equals to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy is equals to 2, so tan inverse 1 plus pi by 4 is equals to 2 into pi by 4 plus pi by 4 is equals to 2 into pi by 2 is equal to pi, and hence we got that the three expressions are equal. Clear? Okay, now let us move on to the next question. Question number 15. Okay, we have to prove that sin inverse A plus sin inverse B. Okay, this is a formula only. Clear? So these formulas we have already seen, so no need to do this question number 15. Okay, let us solve the 16th one on the basis of formula. Now we will solve these questions. Question number 16. Prove that plus sine inverse 2 upon root 5 is equals to pi by 2. Okay. LHS is sine inverse 1 upon root 5 plus sine inverse 2 upon root 5, yes or no, is equal to sine inverse. Okay, formula of sine inverse x is sine inverse x plus sine inverse y is sine inverse x into root of 1 minus y square. So 1 upon root 5 into root of 1 minus 4 by 5 plus y, that is 2 root 5 into root of, here you can write down over here formula sine inverse x plus sine inverse y is equal to sine inverse x into root of 1 minus y square plus y into root of 1 minus x square is equal to sine inverse 1 upon root 5 into 1 upon root 5 plus 2 upon root 5 into 2 upon root 5 is equal to sine inverse 1 by 5 plus 4 by 5 is equal to sine inverse 1 is equal to pi by 2. Okay, is equals to right hand side. Clear? This using this formula we have solved this. There is another way of solving this. I will show you how to solve another way. Okay, you can solve the same sum in another way, like in this way. Anyone, suppose let us convert this sine inverse x into cos inverse. Okay, so sine inverse 1 upon root 5 plus cos inverse root of 1 minus 4 by 5, yes or no? Since sine inverse x is equal to cos inverse root of 1 minus x square. Okay, so sine inverse 1 upon root 5 plus cos inverse, here again 1 upon root 5 will come, which will be equal to pi by 2 only. Why? Since we know that sine inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. This identity we have already seen. Okay, in the explanation part we have gone through the three properties. Sine inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equals to pi by 2, and sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Clear? So this is done. So this is another way you can solve this question. Okay, now let us move on to the next question, that is, okay, this is the first of question number 16. Now let us solve the second of question number 16. Okay, now it is a similar kind of sum, but still I will solve using the second method. Or even using the first method. Okay, you should try using the second method. First method using formula, I am solving over here left hand side. Cos inverse 12 by 13 plus cos inverse 5 by 13 is equal to cos inverse 12 by 13 into 5 by 13 minus root of 1 minus 12 square by 13 square into root of 1 minus 25 by 169. Since we know that cos inverse x plus cos inverse y is equal to cos inverse xy minus root of 1 minus x square into root of 1 minus y square is equal to cos inverse 12 5 60 and 169 minus, okay. Okay, so 169 minus 144 will be 25, so 5 by 13 into 12 by 13, yes or no, is equal to cos inverse 60 by 169 minus 60 by 169 is equal to cos inverse 0 is equal to pi by 2 is equal to right hand side, because we know that value of cos inverse 0 is pi by 2. Okay, now let us solve the third question. Third question of question number 16. Okay, here sin inverse 1 upon square root of 1 by 17 plus cos inverse is equals to tan inverse 1 by 2. Okay, since the answer we want is in tan inverse, what we can do, we can convert both this sin inverse and cos inverse into tan inverse. Okay, so let us take LHS sin inverse 1 upon root 17 plus cos inverse 9 upon square root of 85 is equal to, okay, now sin inverse x, we know that it is tan inverse x upon root of 1 minus x square. Similarly, cos inverse x is equal to cos inverse root of 1 minus x square upon x. So root of 1 minus 81 upon 85 upon 9 upon since sin inverse x is equals to, okay, we have converted this into tan inverse. Tan inverse x upon root of 1 minus x square and cos inverse x is equals to tan inverse root of 1 minus x square upon x. Clear? Okay, so now let us move further. Okay, over here we can simplify tan inverse 1 by root 17. So here you will get 1 upon 4 plus tan inverse 85, 81, 2, so 2 by 9. Yes or no? Okay, now we can move further. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y formula we will apply. Is equals to tan inverse 1 upon 4 plus 2 upon 9 upon 1 minus, since tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equals to tan inverse okay, 9 plus 8 will be 17 by 36 upon 34 by 36. So tan inverse 17 upon 34 is equal to tan inverse 1 upon 2 is equal to right hand side. Clear? So with this, the third of question number 16 is also over. Okay, now let us solve question number 17. Okay, or 17 you can try because the hint is also given, you are given already the solution in the hint. So better you should try that yourself. I will solve the next term. Question number 18. Okay, now this question number 18 is a formula only to tan inverse x that we have seen. Okay, so no need to do. Question number 19 we will solve now. Okay, we have to prove that sin inverse of cos of sin inverse x plus cos inverse of sin of cos inverse x is equals to pi by 2. Okay, let us solve this. Let us take left hand side. LHS is sin inverse cos of sin inverse x plus cos inverse sin of cos inverse x. Okay, now we know the fact that sin theta is equal to cos pi by 2 minus theta and cos theta is equal to sin pi by 2 minus theta. So look at the first bracket. This is cos theta. Sin inverse x is theta. So cos theta can be written as sin pi by 2 minus theta. So we will write down sin inverse of sine pi by 2 minus sine inverse x. Again over here sine theta is equal to cos pi by 2 minus theta. The same formula we can use, so we can write as cos pi by 2 minus cos inverse x. Now sine inverse of sine theta is equal to theta using property, yes or no, property 1. Okay, so sine inverse of sine theta is equal to theta, so pi by 2 minus sine inverse x. Again cos inverse of cos theta is equal to theta, so pi by 2 minus cos inverse x. Since sine inverse of sine theta is equal to theta, for theta belongs to minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, and cos inverse of cos theta is equal to theta, for theta belongs to 0 to pi. Here. Okay, now pi by 2 plus pi by 2 minus, from these two terms we can take minus sign common, so we can write sine inverse x plus cos inverse x. Okay, now sine inverse x plus cos inverse x, we know very well it is pi by 2 by property, yes or no? Since sine inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2, so this pi by 2 gets cancelled, and pi by 2 is left, which is equal to right hand side. Okay, now let us solve question number 20. This is quite an easy question. Okay, prove that number 1, tan inverse x minus y upon 1 plus xy plus tan inverse y minus z upon 1 plus yz plus tan inverse z minus x upon 1 plus zx. Okay, now we are given LHS. Okay, and we have to prove this is equal to tan inverse y cube minus z cube upon 1 plus y cube z cube plus tan inverse z cube minus x cube upon 1 plus z cube x cube is okay. This both the parts are equal, so let us prove. No problem. Okay, now we are having an identity. Okay, tan inverse x minus tan inverse x minus tan inverse y is equals to tan inverse x minus y upon 1 plus xy. So notice that the first question we can directly put the identity, yes or no. Okay, so over here now let me remove this part RHS. Afterwards I will write down. Okay, we are given tan inverse x minus y upon 1 plus xy plus tan inverse y minus z upon 1 plus yz plus tan inverse z minus x upon 1 plus zx, okay, which will be equal to tan inverse x minus tan inverse y plus again tan inverse y minus tan inverse z plus tan inverse z minus tan inverse x. Okay, so tan inverse x plus or minus will get cancelled. Tan inverse y and tan inverse z. So answer will be 0. Now similarly the other side, okay, right hand side, if you simplify you will get the 0 answer. Let us check. Okay, we are given x cube, y cube, yes or no? So let's put the cubes. Okay, so in the formula over here also we can put the cubes and then we can again use the formula to get the same answer, yes or no? So these all things will get cancelled and you will get the 0 answer. Clear? So this question is easy. Okay, now let us solve the next question. Okay, now second part of question number 20. Cot inverse xy plus 1 upon y minus x plus cot inverse yz plus 1 upon z minus y plus cot inverse zx plus 1 upon x minus z is equal to 0. Okay, now this is the similar formula only LHS. Cot inverse xy plus 1 upon y minus x plus cot inverse yz plus 1 upon z minus y plus cot inverse zx plus 1 upon x minus z is equal to cot inverse x minus cot inverse y plus cot inverse y minus cot inverse z plus cot inverse z minus cot inverse x. So minus plus cot inverse x minus, this is by mistake I have written 10, it is cot inverse only. Okay, and here you will get 0 which is equal to right hand side. So question number 20 is even over. Okay, so far we have started today question number 12 onwards and we have completed question number 20. Further questions we will solve in the next video. Take care. Thank you very much.